Alright, today I'm going to be testing the FIMI X8 Sport Mode and also Precision Landing. So to do this, we'll go in settings right here, and then here's Sport Mode on and off. So this toggles it off, that toggles it on. It's blue, it's lit up. And then so you can see the mouse per hour is at about 36 now. It was at 22 and I couldn't change it because I couldn't enable that sport mode on the fly. I'm not sure if you can. I'll try it when we get up there. And then another thing I'll change here is the limit flight height. I'll change that to like 450 or so. And I'm not going to fly that high, but anytime you get close to 400, you'll see a little warning over here on the left, and it'll tell you. So just to get rid of that, I took the height off, and I'll just watch it and make sure I don't go over 400. And my return to home height, I need to get up over these trees, so I'm going to make sure I have this about 120 or so like that to make sure I can get up over these trees when I'm coming home. So that's all we're going to test right now, so let's hurry up and get this in the air and test it out. Alright, I have 15 satellites. I'll take off. I'll also record the video. Alright, let's check the speed out. I'm not sure what it went because I was watching it, so let's take it up over the trees. Okay, now we'll go ahead and try it again. Full sticks forward. And I'm going 31, 32, 34, 36, 37, 38, 40, 42, 42.2 miles an hour. So I'll turn it around. Maybe there was wind to my back. Scroll down to see if I'm pointing towards home. It's that way. And then we'll do it again. Full sticks forward. .28 miles an hour. So I must have had the wind in my back when I was going out. There we go, 28. I'll test that one more time. I'll turn it around. Center it back up. It's a little windy, so that's probably affecting it. And we'll push out again. And there we go, we're at 42. So I definitely have the wind in my back. Let's try going backwards, how fast it goes. So it's even going 30 miles an hour backwards. So it'll go about the same backwards. So what we can do here, if I think the wind is to my back, I'll go ahead and turn it sideways, pointing in this direction. I'll scoot it back some, go up a little, and we'll go full sticks this way. And I'm about 35, 37, 38, 39. So that's plenty fast for a drone like this. I'm just glad that I was able to change it some. And I was able to fix some of my horizon issues. What I had to do was actually, don't know what the beep meant. So we'll go ahead and return to home. I'll hit stop on the video. I don't have much left. That was it. The card's almost full. So I'll hit return to home. And we'll see how close it gets to landing on the pad. And I purposely put the pad on the concrete because I thought maybe it was having a problem whenever I used it in the grass. Not enough contrast, so we'll see. So it's coming down, looks like it's way off. It didn't detect it when it was coming down. We'll see if it shifts over. Looks like it's starting to. We'll see. Look at that. Looks like it saw it started to shift over and then maybe. Well, if it didn't blow away, it would have landed on the pad. So that's a good thing. So right now I know the sport mode works, and it may not work when I had this in the grass, because see, my grass is almost dead. So maybe this color blended in too much with the grass for it to find it. It was able to find it once when I used it, but it wasn't able to find it any other time. But it looked like it found it this time and actually moved and tried to land on it. So with that said, I believe the precision landing is working and sport mode is working, and it seemed this time that my gimbal wanted to do right. So I'll keep testing. I'll charge it up a little bit. Maybe I'll just let this run and see if the gimbal messes up. So that's it for the testing today. Please like, subscribe, and leave some comments below on my channel. And thanks for watching. See you next time.